Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch Ultra to Wi-Fi. The primary method involves your paired iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone is connected to the desired Wi-Fi network. Your watch will then automatically mirror these known networks. This seamless process ensures your watch has access to the internet even when your phone isn't nearby, providing continuous connectivity for apps and notifications. It's a straightforward and efficient way to keep your device online. Your Apple Watch Ultra 2 automatically connects to Wi-Fi networks that your iPhone has previously joined. This clever feature ensures seamless connectivity, especially when your watch is out of Bluetooth range from your iPhone. The watch prioritizes 2.4 GHz networks, making sure you stay connected for updates, messages, and app usage without needing to manually intervene. It's designed for convenience and continuous access. 2, 8, 9. It's important to note that you can directly join new Wi-Fi networks from your Apple Watch Ultra 2. Simply press the digital crown, navigate to the Settings app, and then tap on Wi-Fi. Here, you can select an available network and enter the password if it's secured. This allows your watch to connect independently, providing flexibility even when your iPhone isn't readily available. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. If you encounter Wi-Fi issues, first ensure both your iPhone and Apple Watch Ultra 2 have Wi-Fi enabled. A simple restart of both devices can often resolve minor glitches. Remember, your watch supports Wi-Fi 4, which includes both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. However, it cannot connect to networks requiring a web page login, like those found in hotels or airports. Keep these tips in mind for smooth connectivity. 2, 3, 8, 9, 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.